everybody. I'm Barb Steinberg, teen life coach, parent coach, and speaker on teen girl issues. And I just wanted to throw out a little tidbit today that I hear a lot from the girls that I coach. And that is, even though when they are entering and deep in adolescence and they tend to seem like maybe they're wanting more privacy and turning their back on you more. For example, in my house, there is a closed door that I look at a whole lot that used to not be closed. The girls that I work with, the teenagers, want us to know, the parents, that they really hope that we won't take it personally when the door is closed or their face is in their phone or they don't give us as much detail as we want or they give us one-word answers. That really is just them kind of being knee-deep in their own world and really absorbed with everything that's important to them, but they really want us to know that they still love us and to please not take it personally. So anytime we see that closed door or we're not getting that connection we want, sometimes it's just a really good reminder for us to say, okay, they're doing what they're meant to do. They're supposed to be separating right now. It doesn't mean that they don't love me and don't care about me and don't want to be with me. They're just developing as they should. So hopefully this will give you a little peace of mind and fill your heart a little bit and help you remember that they still love you. All right, everybody. Thanks for listening. Bye.